Welcome to part 4 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Draw. Draw. The child can draw a picture of a house. Swim. Swim. They swim in the pool every summer. Close. Close. She needs to close the door quietly. Stand. Stand. He likes to stand near the window and watch the rain. Push. Push. You need to push the door to open it. Pull. Pull. Pull the rope to lift the bucket. Catch. Catch. He can catch the ball with one hand. Throw. Throw. She likes to throw stones into the river. Climb. Climb. They climb the hill every weekend. Drop. Drop. Be careful not to drop the glass. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.